In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of your shopping experience on Crocs' official website, www.crocs.com. Whether you're hunting for the latest collabs or simply looking to snag your favorite classic styles, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and type in www.crocs.com. Once you reach the home page, you'll find yourself amidst a vibrant display of options. Here, you'll not only discover an array of clogs, sandals, and sneakers, but you'll also see a variety of gibbets charms. It's designed to cater to both newcomers and those who are already fans of Crocs' versatile lineup. Take a moment to browse through the new arrivals and see what's trending. The website often highlights collaborations and other exciting collections right at the front, making it easy to find your next pair. And if you're a frequent shopper, or even if this is your first time, joining the Crocs Club can be beneficial. By signing up, you can receive a handy 15% discount on your next order. Plus, you'll be among the first to know about special offers and new releases. Now, let's assume you've picked out a style that you just cannot live without. You will want to add it to your cart. To do this, simply select your size and preferred color. Be mindful that Crocs sizes can slightly vary, so checking the size guide available on the product page is a smart step. Once you've made your selections, click the bright Add to Cart button. To review or make changes to your selection, click on the cart icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. In this view, you can double check the items you've chosen, adjust quantities, or enter any promo codes you might have. Remember, qualifying orders often get free shipping, so it might be worth checking the current promotions on the home page before you finalize your purchase. And just like that, you've completed your shopping journey on Crocs' website. From browsing through styles, adding items to your cart, and making the most out of promotional discounts, you're now well equipped to shop confidently and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. As you step into your new Crocs, whether they're clogs, sandals, or sneakers, remember they're not just footwear, they're a statement of comfort and style. Happy shopping!